Okay, we start with this video is for I'm gonna install Windows Server 2022 standard version on ESX 7.0.3 by using not vCenter, just the ESX web access itself. So oops, type in user and password. Okay, I already connected last video. This is the volume that created on the server itself. As I mentioned, last video, the previous video was show how to install how to configure RAID 5. The server consists of 4 hard disks, 1.2 terabyte. So we built RAID 5 on 3 and then 1 for spare. Okay, this is what is left. There's a partition, the volume, RAID 5 for 200 gig sizing. That's for ESX operating system. So we got a local volume left is about 2 terabyte. And the second one and the third one is connected via fiber channel, 16 gig per channel, and attached it to volume around 4 terabyte both. Okay, we're gonna create a new server by clicking on virtual machine. Currently there's nothing here. Create VM. Next, we're gonna name this Win Server. Oh well, maybe Win Server. I think we can rename it later. 01. Compatibility. Okay, we're gonna make compatibility back to 6.5. Guest family is Windows. Guest operating version. Where's 2022? Oh, server. Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna select the latest one, which is server 20 or later. Okay, this is it. And we're gonna put in SAN volume 1. Okay, and the speeds. Okay, we're gonna have maybe gig 32. Okay, the server has 128 gigabyte of RAM, and this case I will put in 32, and the hard disk is about 150. Should be fine. Basically the first one is for application. The develop team will be put in web server and everything here, just for the application per se coding, programs. And the second server will be server 2022, same as here, but it's gonna be on database SQL, Microsoft SQL. Okay, well, I put in 200 gig. And the network, VM network. We haven't configured this one, but I guess the VM network should have Let me take a look here. Whoops, what's that? Oh, this is a virtual E1000. This is gigabit. I believe the default should be 4 Ethernet, 4 gigabit Ethernet on the VM network switch. Virtual network switch. We're gonna select the whole thing here. And okay, this is an installation volume, ISO, connected power on. Wow, can I choose? Nah. Well, we're gonna connect the ISO when we run on the console. As let's check here. Okay, should be on F drive. Okay, I just put in the CD-ROM, the OEM Windows Server 2022. Okay, here we go. 6.95 gigabit. Okay, switch back to this one. Anything else? Okay. CPU. I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna have. Wow, this is 64. Okay, we make this 32. We can change it later. Now we go start with 24 cores. Next, this is summary. Finish. Okay, there should be a virtual machine up here. There you go. We're gonna start this one. Okay, should be fine. Let me check if I can attach the local CD-ROM here. Get it? CD-ROM connected. Host device. No, I'm remoting, not at the server. Okay, let's run it. Okay, there's window here. I put it from let's try to get, let me check here. Console, PSOS. There's a CD-ROM here. Okay, attach it. Okay, I think we have. I need to use the virtual machine remote console. Okay. If I install it later. Another user. Wow. Another user has a console session of. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm gonna close this and then open console. Okay, console. Launch remote console. I'm not sure this PC has the VMware remote console or not, but I'm gonna start it anyway. It's not installed. This is the tools. Okay, I just installed it then. I might not have this one, so I'm gonna download it. Sorry. Okay, it should bring me to the website. VMRC. Where is it? Oh, come on. Tools. VMRC. Okay, remote. Nothing. can't find it. VMRC. There you go. Okay, VMRC SDK now. No. Not the SDK, in the program. Looks pretty old. 2013. Not horizontal. Oh, I might have to search this one. Download. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, that's okay. That should be fine. Licensing, no. Remote console document. Procedure, what? Center. Oops, man. Jeez. I have to get it here. Huh. That's fine. Let me check if I can open some new tab. No, it does. But can I attach my logo? Okay. This one. Go back to my downloads. Let me check my download. I'm sorry. Okay, this is my line. Oops. Okay. Oh, jeez. It's okay. My download. Scan. So. Okay, don't worry, this screen I just have to back up a lot of data running on my machine. So, won't come up. I don't see it. This is it. Fast. This one's still working. How long? I think it's running. Is it done? Yes. No. Starting. Georgia. Shift Okay, I'm finished this. Let's check on the drive. Okay, this is Windows 2022. Yep, it's alright. Kind of close it, and then we'll be back to installation. Okay, I think it should launch now. Right. Thank you. Okay. What? Security updates. Later. Okay. Don't like it. Let me see. I can expand this a little bit. No. Okay. It's a keyboard. Full screen. No, yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Removable. This is one. Okay. This name. Oh. Don't have anything else here. Setting. Gee. Local client. F drive. This is it. Alright, then just reset it again. It should come up. Okay, I can hear the DVD drive running. Okay, here we go. So I don't have to like walk down to the server. Okay, this is kind of pretty simple. Basically, two things we need to do. Just we need to enter the product ID or product key for server 2022 standard. Second, I'm gonna install it as the desktop experience, not the standard core server. So that's about it. So I need to keep my notebook handy, all the administrator and password, and I'm gonna run Hyper-V features also. Okay, that's three things. Okay. Second, Hyper-V. It's kind of strange, you know. You're running Windows, you're using Hyper-V, running virtual machine on Windows Server, and then Windows Server running on ESX again. I'm not sure if they're gonna do that, but I'm gonna enable the feature Hyper-V anyway. Enable. Okay. And the IP is gonna be. Do they give me the IP address? I think. Okay, temporary is 16.1.55. Okay, 16.1.56 for the second window. Alright. It's kind of slow a little bit because the reading from my Windows 11 CD-ROM and then transfer through a gigabit network, I don't know, to the lab, to the server. Check total file. If I'm not mistaken, it's 6 something, about 4 gig or 6.95. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna activate the product now. When they are ready to install, I believe it's 180 days for a try, and then we're gonna activate it later. thanks to Microsoft, because it's pretty easy. OEM product, you just need to click activate button. That's all. Oops. Let's check. Computer manufacturer is what? Okay, system check is okay. Alright. What happened? Let me ping to, seems like lost connection or something. I think it's 1.2. What's up? Storage 1.1 is up. 1.3, no, 151 is BMC. It's clarity. 153 I believe is SAN. Let me check. It's the case. Yes, it's a SAN. And 1.1 is 6 clarity. Right. Controller. 1.5. Okay. Let's get back to VMware. Oh, where's the? Okay. Still waiting. What's that? Powered on. Oh, okay. What happened? Okay. I can see my DVD drive flashing. That means it's loading some. It's reading something. Sorry about the social media stuff. Should turn it off. Okay. It's gonna be a while. I think I'm gonna make 5 videos about everything for SAN for Lenovo storage, and connected to Lenovo server via fiber channel attached to controller A and B. And the second video should be how to get access to the server, Lenovo server ST550, using ESXi8, same as ILO on HP, HP server, HPE server. And the third video should be how to get to Lenovo storage SAN DE2200H model, how to configure basic, and how to connect This took me about a couple hours to figure it out because there's no information or how to connect it, but I learned how to connect fiber channel on HP server DL6 116 or 160 G10. There's two server and then connect to the storage MSA 2060. So kind of similar thing, but they call differently on on what should I say, the product port things, network address, and then the WWID. Okay, we get to that later on the third video for how to configure and